Congress party this time would get clear majority. The people have decided to bring back the Congress party into power because they are fed up with the present BJP government, number one. Number two, there is a strong anti-incumbency against the BJP government. Therefore, I am very confident this time the people of Karnataka will bless Congress party.
The Congress party has got a thumping victory in the Karnataka elections, winning in 135 out of 224 seats, getting a clear majority.